How to enable Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable Facebook Marketplace. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook installed in your device. Now once you open up the Facebook application, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Here, once you get to see your home page, now you have to by tapping on your profile icon from the upper right corner. That will take you to the menu page. Here in this menu page, you will get bunch of menus such as memories, saved, groups, find others and many more. In the same section, you will be able to find a menu as Marketplace. So simply tap on that menu and you will get to Marketplace. Or you might also find your Marketplace in your menu bar at the top of this interface along with other menus such as Home, Profile, your notification. And if still you are not able to find Marketplace menu, then there might be some reasons behind that. And that's because of the settings and privacy of Facebook application. If you are on the country or region where the Marketplace is not available, then you may not be able to see Facebook Marketplace. And if you have newly created Facebook account, then also you might not be able to get the Marketplace menu. Or if you are under 18 years of age, then also you might not get Facebook Marketplace option. If you have mistakenly added the wrong date of birth in your Facebook account, which is under 18, that will restrict the Facebook Market menu in your account. So with that on your mind, this is how you can enable Facebook Marketplace. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.